Hey everybody, Troy again from BJB. Now a lot of people don't know, but BJB, we've been around for well over 50 years, and the company originally started in the epoxy world. So we were making laminating systems, surface coats, and adhesives, all sorts of things for aerospace companies and space technologies and all sorts of things like that. And so over the years, we've still continued to make a lot of these products. And today I wanted to go over specifically our laminating epoxies and our surface coat epoxies. Now we have two categories that we consider, which is low temp and then we have high temp. So when you're talking about low temp, we're talking more general purpose, room temperature type applications where you don't need a lot of heat resistance, but it's got to survive in the normal ambient temperature world. And then we've got high temperature. Now high temperature is typically for example, pre-preg tooling or anything that really is going to need to see some heat, well over 250 degrees Fahrenheit or so. So when it comes to laminating resins, we've got the low temp resins, we've got the high temp resins, but essentially we're going to be wetting out cloth fiber for doing wet layups for either parts or the molds to make those composite parts. So you've got to be able to choose between different systems that have different viscosity. Some are low viscosity, some are a little higher viscosity, depending on the weight of the fabrics and the application needed there. And on the surface coat end of things, you've got different types of surfaces where you can do polishable surface coats, and some of these are more room temperature, and also we've got high temperature systems for doing the high temperature type of pre-preg tooling. Our TC1600 is a general purpose clear laminating system that exhibits good heat resistance with a room temperature cure. TC1604 is a filled white general purpose laminating system with good physical properties and dimensional stability. TC1607 is an unfilled high temperature laminating system designed for production molds and parts. TC1622 is a low viscosity unfilled laminating system for high temperature applications, and it features a 2-hour working time and very low viscosity. TC1570 is a general purpose white surface coat, can be backed with epoxy casting materials or laminating resins. TC1611 is an easy to apply, heat resistant black surface coat that can be polished or machined for production composite tools. TC1618 is an aluminum filled high temperature epoxy surface coat that provides excellent heat transfer and or dissipation, great for composite and vacuum forming tools. All right, so that's our roundup of BJB's laminating systems and surface coats. And we also have a whole variety of other adhesives, casting epoxies, and accessories to go along with these products. So be sure to visit BJB's website. And if you have any questions on your applications, be sure to reach out to BJB's tech team and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.